My newest video answers a question from a new client named Todd who owns an IT consulting business in Central Indiana. Todd writes, I'm buying out my business partner and I want to know how to go about determining a value for their ownership. And when I do buy them out, can I write it off on my taxes as a business deduction? Well, Todd, I have an answer for you in this two-part video series, so be sure to watch them both.
Welcome to this episode of Accounting and Tax Tips. Smart strategies for small business success with certified public accountant Tina Moe.
The process of buying out a business partner can be very complex and very taxing, pardon the pun. This two-part video series looks at the basics of buying out a business partner and the resulting tax repercussions. Part 1 of my series looks at the valuation of your business and the type of professionals who provide this type of service. You should first note that there are accountants and other business professionals such as attorneys and business consultants that specialize in business valuation, and that's all they do. Meaning there isn't a quick and easy formula to simply use to arrive at a magical number. It's an involved process. There are various types of business valuation experts such as a CVA or Certified Valuation Analyst. And this credential is earned by those who have studied business valuations and passed a test administered by the National Association of Certified Valuators and Analysts. These individuals may be CPAs or hold other business degrees with substantial experience in this area of business. Here's a list of other professional designations for experts in this area of business. In addition, and regardless of how large or small your business buyout may be, you should have a business attorney involved in the entire process. There are many details of the sale that an attorney can help you address, such as non-compete or confidentiality agreements. Also, an attorney can help draft a non-binding letter of intent before signing a final purchase agreement, among other things. Also, be sure to work with a tax accountant who understands the tax repercussions of such a transaction. How you structure the buyout can affect the taxes you pay in the end. Watch part 2 of this video series for more information on the tax implications of a partner buyout. There isn't any sort of one-size-fits-all formula that assigns a value to the ownership in a business, and every business is different. Compound that with the fact that different industries might have different valuation methods. Some have inventory, some have equipment, and all these variables play a role in the valuation process. Todd, in your case of the IT consulting business, I'd recommend looking at any existing partnership agreement. Some partnership agreements might already have a buy-sell agreement in place that provides a predetermined formula for establishing the sale price of the partnership interest. If you don't have an agreement in place, or if it doesn't contain a buy-sell agreement, then I'd suggest hiring the professional as I mentioned earlier to help you. Next, you'll want to decide how the buyout will be paid, either as a lump sum buyout or as an installment agreement where you'll buy your partner out over a series of monthly or quarterly payments. Once you arrive at these decisions, you'll want to have your attorney draft a buyout purchase contract outlining all of the agreed upon terms and other provisions. You may also have your attorney draw up a non-binding letter of intent for both parties to review before exercising the final partner buyout agreement. Todd, I hope this video helped you to understand the importance of the valuation step in the overall sale process. Watch my next show to learn more about the taxation on your partner buyout. If you watch this video and have a tax question, please submit it to tina@actservices-inc.com and I'll make it the topic of a future show. For more information on this and other tax topics, visit my website at www.actservices-inc.com.
Thank you for watching this episode of Accounting and Tax Tips with Tina Moe. For more great information, visit Tina's website at www.actservices-inc.com. Also browse the other shows found right here at Indie Biz TV Shows.